banging sounds heard near location of missing Titan submersible.
Article says the banging sound stopped.
End of article. Noise hasn't been heard again.
The Titan still had 40 hours of oxygen left and stated that the situation looks bleak, adding that they believe the banging was coming from the craft, but that haven't heard any noise since yesterday.
Can't imagine they'll ever find this thing. It's a needle in a very large haystack. Even if they do, what's the plan to snag it? What submersible can even attempt to retrieve it?